Hey guys, here we are again at another waterfall. I think it's north of the one that we were at this summer. And one of all the three different waterfalls. And there's a small one here. It took about kind of boring day, so went for a ride, about an hour and a half north of Coldest. So this is what we got. Show you around. Prize up there taking some pictures, and sun's going down. It's probably just around 3:30 right now. Nice little spot, very quiet. Hunting season right now too, so there we go. Enjoy. Anyways guys, we're out of here pretty soon. Kai's over here doing a video, taking some pictures of this little waterfall. And it's getting late. Anyways, guys take care. We'll see you again. Please subscribe and share if you can. And watch all my other videos that are up here or up there, whatever. Anyways, take care guys.